Hi guys. So today, can you tell what we might be unboxing today? This is my first ever Labubu. I know how to say it. It's a Labubu. And it's the Coca-Cola one. I wish they did a Pepsi one, to be honest. Because people that like Pepsi are going to be disappointed. So we have 3 different versions, and one of them's a secret one. So we have one holding a can, one holding a bottle, and I know what the secret one looks like, but I don't want to spoil it for you guys. So let's jump into it. Okay. So at the top there's this tab that you gotta pull. And I hate these because they're always so annoying. Like, look at that. That is not perfect. And what did we get? What is it? What is it? Can you tell me? Oh, we got a Coke can! ASMR. Quick ASMR. Okay. It doesn't have tape anywhere, right? The keyring is stuck. So I have a fluffy little baby, a cute little baby. That is just packaging, but it has something in it, so we'll get to that. There's a little phone piece. He has a scarf on! And some word tag. My fluffy little baby that I will protect with my life. He's so cute that he's making me angry. You can sit there. Or not, because you can't sit. Do you want to like a close-up? He's smirking because he's got a Coca-Cola to drink now. Annoying tag, I'll cut that off. Anyways. If you want to get it, it's from Popmart. Popmart. Okay, let's see what's inside this bag. It doesn't have anything exciting in it. It's to make the thing feel... I just looked in the box. Look at the camera. We sadly did not get a secret one. But I actually wanted this one. Because this one has a scarf on, but this one has a Santa hat on. I like the scarf one better. He's my fluffy little baby. He has a twin. Where have you been? You are not the star of the show. I am. And you. just love him so much. My fluffy, little, cute, adorable baby. He has a red nose. Can someone tell me how to like clip this on your bag? Because this thing is stainless steel. I know because on my nomination bracelet it says stainless steel. And it's the same thing but red. Anyways, I'm going to do a quick close-up on him. Because you've only probably seen him like this or like that or something. Or it's just a scarf. Tag. Oh, let me move my fingers. I love my Coca-Cola. Me just smirking in the background. Scarf. Fluffy head. Ears. He's tiny. I bet if I detach this Coca-Cola Coke bottle, it will just be a cute little fluffy baby. Anyways, thank you for watching. And I hope you have an amazing day or night. And see ya in my next video.